Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting XML files to XLF files. You can see on my computer I have a translation XML. I can double click to open it into XML viewer, and you can see the main fields I have is resource name, source. Resource name is basically identifier that identifies a resource or string, and translation source is the English version of the translation, and translation target is a German version of the translation. So basically I will convert this XML file into XLF. This is XML viewer. It's a free app. It allows me to see what is inside the XML file and export into different formats if I want to, and it presents the XML file as a table with the column names, which is very convenient. I will leave instruction how to find this XML viewer if you'd like to see it. I also can open XML into Notepad just to show you that this is true XML, and it has a translation row, it has translation name, source and target, and I'm gonna use this XML to convert it to XLF format. So in order to do this, I will go to this website. It's called Xlf files, and click on search and type XML. I will leave address of this website into description below. So I need XML To Xlf app. I'll click on this page and click on download button to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on how to create XLF files and other resource files from different sources, and how to convert it into different sources. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You can see application has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select XML file. I will click to my documents and click on XLF folder, and I need this translation XML. Click open, click on next step. Here on this step I can specify source language, which is English, source translation, which is German, and I need basically I need these 2 fields are important, but also these 3 fields: resource name, which is translation resource name, translation source, and translation target. So your XML file may be different and may have a different fields in it, but it doesn't matter if it shows you XML fields. Pick up that one that responds for resource name, the one that responds for source, which is English, or if you have different languages, it's fine too. And if translation column must have target or translation text. After everything selected, click on next step, and on final step just click run. And it's asking me for name and location XLF file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And let's go see file. I have XLF viewer, and I can see what is inside of XLF file, and you can see it's perfectly translated from resource name, source, which is English, and translation, which is German. And yeah, everything translated as well. And this XLF viewer is also on this website, Xlf files. So if I go back to Xlf files and I click on search and select viewer, type viewer, you can see this XLF viewer. There is a video instruction on how to install and use it. But yeah, it's a free app. It shows what inside XLF file, and also allows me to export XLF file into different formats. There is an export tab. I can save it as Excel, Word, Web, CSV, whatever. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more applications like this and more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Thank you.